Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Pay That Toll. My name is Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and we're going to begin the song with a bunch of bar chords. Now the first bar chord that we need is all the way up on fret 8 of the A string. This is an F minor bar chord, which is 8, 10, 10, 9, and then the 8 on the high E string. Now I will talk about the strumming and structure in a moment, however let's get through the other chords we need for the introduction. So after that F minor chord, we need an A flat major chord, which is exactly the same shape, up on the top string and finding it from fret 4. So just to go over those numbers, 4, 6, 6, then we've got the 5, 4, 4. So after F minor, we go to that A flat. We then have a D flat major chord, which is going to be directly below, so starting from fret 4 on the A string, 6, 6, 6 on the next 3 strings. We then go back to the A flat major, and then finishing on E flat major, which is just like the D flat major chord, but up 1, 2 frets, so starting from fret 6. So let's break down how we play that set of chords. So starting with that F minor, we have down, tap, up, down. And we're going to use that for most of the chords. However, when we get to the last two chords, A flat and E flat, we share a bar between those chords, so 2 beats on each. So you can hear I'm playing the A flat, tapping, and then finishing off with the E flat. So let's put all those together. I'll play it through slowly so you can see how this all fits together. Now for the first part of the song, which is the first verse, we play that round 2 times in a row. And just before I talk about the rest of the structure, it is worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this, which has the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together, over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases, including a few of OneRepublic songs as well. But after that first verse, which we play around twice, we get the pre-chorus. And the pre-chorus is exactly the same set of chords again. Now, spoiler alert, basically 99% of the song is just this set of chords over and over and over, with one exception. And that exception is the last chorus of the song. So just before the outro, they have this chorus where we play nothing. We take those chords and we are silent for 8 bars, so basically 2 times round those chords. We don't play anything. It's just vocals and I think maybe a percussive sound. And then after 2 times round or 8 bars, we then bring back in the normal chords and play them round a further 2 more times. There's then a slight outro, and the outro basically just takes the chords that we know and loops them round and gets quieter and quieter, a bit of a fade out. And that will get you to the end of the song. So there we go, that's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. It also really helps out the channel. I'm slowly getting closer to 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, feel free to like if you want. And yeah, subscribe. So yeah, thanks a lot. I also want to say a quick thanks to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they will get instant access to that song immediately. So thanks to them. Thanks to you for watching and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.